And we are, as we mentioned earlier, basically halfway through earnings reporting season, and some trends are emerging. Bob Pisani takes a look.
Here's the good news. So far, guidance has not taken a hit from Brexit. Companies have been reaffirming their full-year forecast, and that's primarily what's holding the S&P 500 up just shy of historic highs. Now, overall, earnings are still down, but they're not deteriorating. Remember, we just had 4 straight quarters of negative earnings. That's an earnings recession, and the narrative has been calling for earnings to bottom in the first quarter, gradually improve, and then turn positive in the second half of the year. So far, the story has held up. And companies are not only beating, but they're also beating by a wider margin. This is key because it's hard for the bulls to justify these record high stock prices with the profit levels staying so low. But beyond the good news, there's 4 key issues that could hurt the earnings equation in the second half of the year. First off, there's oil. This is a problem. It's now trading at a 3-month low. This is a big part of the earnings story since analysts were counting on crude to rebound in the second half, and they may now have to bring down their estimates to reflect $40 oil. Second, the dollar has been strong recently, and that could be a problem for multinationals. Finally, there's Brexit and China, but both have been quiet recently. For Nightly Business Report, I'm Bob Pisani at the New York Stock Exchange.